Hey planners, it's Taya Shante Plants and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my March kit lineup, so let's go ahead and take a look at the kits I'll be using this month. First up for the month of March is my March dashboard spread, which is what I used this grid page for in my Sadie Stickers planner. And I pulled out these deco sheets from the Sweet Planner because I am going on vacation at the end of March, and I thought this would be really fun to do just like a travel vacation themed spread, even though I actually don't have to get on an airplane for this trip, which I'm very excited about. But the whole travel tropical vibe is exactly what I wanted. And so I think this is what I'm going to go ahead and use for my dashboard for March. And I'm excited about that. For my monthly spread for March, I actually did start on this in my Patreon class last month and did not get a chance to get very far with this spread, clearly, but I am using the March 2022 kit from Sadie Stickers. So this is the large deco sheet that came with it. I picked up a couple of the journaling sheets. I have got like plenty of floral deco, some functional sheets. I'm really excited about finishing up my March monthly spread, and also really glad that I didn't get a chance to finish it because I just got in some Happy Mail that I have not even hauled yet. But this is from Sadie Stickers. She had a $2 Tuesday that was raindrop and sunburst themed. And so I've got some really cute like raindrop stickers. I'm just probably going to end up pulling the silver raindrop ones out because I probably won't get a chance to haul them before I complete this spread, but I don't want to make this spread wait. So I'll just pull out the silver raindrop themed stickers to pair with this kit because I really want to use this for my March monthly spread. I think the images are so amazing. I immediately fell in love with that bird and the bird cage. I cannot, it's adorable. The umbrella, the rain boots with the florals, everything about this is just so fantastic and perfect for like transitioning into that early spring mood for the month of March. For the first week of March, I actually pulled this bloom kit from Crafts by Towie, and I just thought this was really pretty. And it's so interesting because I think a lot of times when I'm thinking about March, the color green is the color that comes to mind, and this kit is really not a green kit. It's pink and blue and lavender and just super beautiful. And loving the rose gold foil that's paired with it. I think it's a really stunning kit, and I think it's a good way to transition out from like a very heavy use of pink from the month of February, transitioning into March, and because it's also got the blues and lavender in there, and I think that's a good way to like shift away from the extreme pinkness of February. For the second week of March, I pulled this kit from Simply Watercolor Co. and I thought this would be a lot of fun. It's foiled in silver foil, and it picks up a little bit on kind of the whole rain theme from the monthly spread, but also it had this gate in this full box here, and I picked up some really cute like fences from a $2 Tuesday from Sadie Stickers that I thought would be fun to pair with this and kind of pick up on that theme and really play up a whole like maybe like garden and fence with florals type of theme. And I think I can even work in, because it's got like a bird cage, it's definitely got butterflies. I've got butterflies everywhere, which is perfectly fine. I actually reordered some more butterfly deco stickers, so and especially butterflies with silver, because in all of the kits that I've used so far that have had butterflies in them, I think have been either gold or rose gold. And so to be able to use some of my silver butterfly deco is going to be a really great opportunity. So I'm very excited about planning this week, and I think this kit is going to be a lot of fun for that. For the third week of March, here's where I feel like I've definitely picked up a little bit more on the whole green concept, which totally makes sense because unless I'm getting this wrong in my head, I believe March 17th is St. Patrick's Day. And so I am not the type of person, there are like some holidays where I like will give the holiday like a whole week to celebrate. And then there are other holidays like 4th of July, St. Patrick's Day, where it like I mark the day. I don't always get a kit for the entire week. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And this year I did, it was a don't. It was a don't. But I do have a kit that has a lot of green in it, and I thought that this would be perfect for St. Patty's Day week because it does have plenty of green in this kit. And I thought it was going to be really beautiful and lovely for this. I'm pretty sure I even have like some St. Patty's Day like deco in my stash. I need to like go through my stickers and look and take a look and see, and maybe I can pull in something like really St. Patty's Day specific for that day. But I'm excited to use this kit, and I think also with it being gold foiled, there's something about like green and gold, that combination together, that feels very St. Patrick's Day to me. And so that feels like it makes this kit feel totally right for this week. On to our next kit, and this is the kit where this week I have a feeling this kit is going to change. This kit is from Missing Me Out, and again, I think I did pull this because again I was thinking about the color green, and I felt like this fit a really good vibe for the month of March. I need to go through my collection. This kit was released right before Missing Me Out kind of revamped her floral deco add-on and made it a much larger sheet. She used to just include these really small deco sheets that came included with your kit, but this just absolutely is not enough deco for me. And I've learned that unless I have deco at the start, I don't enjoy the whole process of even trying to plan with a kit anymore. So I'm not going to put myself in that situation. I do love this kit. I think it's incredibly beautiful. I'm beyond obsessed with the bottom washi and have been wanting to use this kit for a long time. And I think what keeps hindering me is I really haven't had the deco for it. So if I can find something in my stash that I think is going to be a great match, I have a potential because I have some florals from JK Creates Co. that I think pick up on some of the tones in this kit, but it is definitely not like a perfect match because these, while they have a little bit of that like peachy corally tone and pick up on a little bit of like the tannish yellows that are in here, it's not exact. It's not terrible. It's really not. Actually, I could make this work, which is why I pulled it. But it may be either this, or if I see something else this month, because I haven't really done any kit shopping recently. But if I pick up something and it comes in before this week, my mind may change. So I have a feeling this is the week that definitely has the potential to change. This week is also really interesting because this is the week that my vacation starts here, and I didn't want it to be a vacation themed kit because even though my vacation starts here, the bulk of like my vacation week is actually going to be the following week, which is like in the April section, but even though it's like still mostly March because it's like, I always feel like that's when whatever part of the week has the most days, that's the month I attribute it to. So like, even though this is in the April section, it's got like 4 days of March versus 3 days of April. So technically this still feels very March to me. And it's also the week that I'm going to be on vacation. And so I have this Island Dream kit from Sadie Stickers that definitely gave me like the total color and mood and vibe and exactly what I wanted for my vacation. This is another kit where I definitely don't have enough floral deco because I only have one of the floral deco sheets, but I did have some other floral deco in my stash that I pulled that I thought was going to look really good with this kit. And it was from the Sweet Planner, and these florals, those colors, like, oh my gosh, that complements so perfectly well. And I think it looks so amazing and is going to go really well with this kit. The whole theme and concept of the whole vibe, the deco and everything. I love everything about this deco sheet to pair with this kit, and I think it's going to give me exactly what I'm looking for. Don't always know what fashion dolls I want to use, but I did for this one because again, same thing here where these girls really just picked up like right on the mood of this whole kit, and I feel like one of these fashion dolls is going to be the doll. That could change. I feel like that's always like the theme of my monthly kit lineup videos, is that everything is subject to change. Because as I sit down that week and actually like go, okay, now it's time to plan, my mood changes, I have new thoughts and sometimes new stickers in my collection. And I actually have a bunch of new stickers from Red Lyrics because I just got in an order that I am so excited to haul. As soon as I get like one more thing and I have enough stickers to actually do a haul, I will be doing one just so I can put my new Red Lyrics dolls into my collection and start using them. But anyway, so that's it for the month of March and a little sneak peek into what is technically be the first week of April, I suppose. But I'm very excited and looking forward to planning all of these spreads. I also anticipate this week throwing my whole planning schedule off, as going on vacation always does. I always end up, like, when I get back home, just being like totally behind on my planning for a couple of weeks afterwards. So and at the moment, let's be honest, I'm not completely caught up right now. So I've got a lot of planning to do to get myself as caught up as possible before I even go on my vacation. And then I'll be playing catch up when I get back home. I'm very excited about this month's kit lineup, and I would love to know what stickers you all are planning to use for the month of March. So you can go ahead and leave that in the comments, or if you share that on Instagram, you can tag me so I can see and comment and like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.